In this video, we're going to take a look at how Word 2013 does numbered lists. The simplest way to do a numbered list is simply just type a number and maybe a period and then a space, and it automatically converts this into an official numbered list. So, whoops. Type in something, hit the Enter key, and so on, and as long as you keep hitting the Enter key, it will continue to add numbers on subsequent lines. And if you want to stop your numbered list, like I'm going to do right now, just hit the Enter key without typing anything on that line, and it will automatically return you to normal text. It leaves a little bit of a space in between here to offset the numbered list from the rest of the text. The really neat thing about doing a numbered list, though, is if you realize after you've done it that you need to put something else in, so all you have to do is go to that point and it will automatically renumber everything for you. So you really don't want to ever number anything yourself in Word, because if you make a change in the list, you have to go back and redo it all on your own, and you really don't want to do that. So that's one way to get a numbered list. That's using the autocorrect feature of Word. If you want to remove the numbers from the list, just go up here on the Home tab in the paragraph group and click on the numbered list button, or the numbering button. If you decide after the fact that you want to take some ordinary text and make it into a numbered list, just go up here and click on the numbering, and it'll do that, and it indented a little bit further than I was before. But you can just go up here and you can drag the little basement under the house here back and forth, and it will change the indentation of your list for you. Now, if you want to change the formatting, go up here and click on the down arrow, and we have a number of choices. You can use a parenthesis after the number. You can use Roman numerals in uppercase letters. You can use Roman numerals in lowercase letters. You can use letters. Letters are considered a numbered list, and you've got a couple of options for all of those. If you don't like what's there, you can define a new number format. You can go up here and you can pick the style. And let's say that for some reason I wanted a couple of hyphens there after the number. Okay, just go up here and type in what you want, click on OK, and it'll put the hyphens in for you. I doubt if you really need to do that very often, because it comes with the basics, a period, right parenthesis. Another option you can do is parenthesis on both sides, and when you do that, it'll continue to do a numbered list for you with parentheses. Okay, I'm just going to hit enter a few times here. Let's take one more look at that. Let's do a period space, and you notice this little button comes up here with a lightning bolt on it, and it has a list of autocorrect options on it. And if you don't want it to do that automatically, you can turn it off for this one, or if you want to turn it off altogether, you can do that. Or if you want to have some more choices, you can click on this, and I'm just going to leave it the way it is. All of this autocorrect stuff is coming from your options, and it's on the proofing group here under autocorrect options. If we go to autocorrect options and go to the tab that says auto format as you type, one of our choices here is automatic numbered lists, and if you don't like that feature, you can turn this off, and all it does is it turns off the automatic part. You can still go in and make stuff into a numbered list if you want to. You just have to go use the ribbon instead. So I'm not going to make any changes here, because that's another feature that I like in Word. So we're just going to cancel out of there. We're going to cancel out of there, and we're back here in our document. One more feature I want to take a look at here. Actually, let's go back and whoops. If you're not careful, when you try to move something, if you get the mouse over here in the number part and you click and drag to try to select something, you're not going to select it. You're going to end up moving your entire list. Now I'm going to do a Control Z or undo here to get it back where I want. But here's what happened. I need to start here. Make sure I'm in the text and not in any of the numbers. If I'm over here, then, you know, and I do that all the time. So you either need to position the cursor precisely right here to select everything on the list. If you're starting at the top, that's what you need to do. Perhaps the easiest way is to start at the bottom, and you don't have to worry about accidentally grabbing one of the numbers over here. So you can select your entire list this way. Okay, and I'm going to go back and I'm going to change this to, let's do this one. Okay. Now, the formatting, you know, every once in a while you may notice that your numbers over here look funny, and the reason they might look funny is because they get their formatting from the paragraph mark here at the end of the line. And if the paragraph mark happens to be formatted as italic, then the number is going to be italic, and the rest of them will not be unless their paragraph marks are also formatted to be italic. And if the paragraph mark is formatted as bold, then the number will be bold. Now underline doesn't appear to make any difference. The other thing though here is the font color. It gets its color from the mark here at the end. So if you find that your numbers don't, or the numbers on one line perhaps don't look the same as the numbers on another line, the reason is almost certainly that there's a little bit of formatting information in that paragraph mark at the end of the line that they are drawing their formatting information from, and that's why it looks funny. And if you want to fix it, just go back in here, select only that paragraph mark, reformat the paragraph mark, and then your numbers will look the way you want them to look. And those are the basics of doing numbered lists in Word 2013.